Good morning, students. So, today we are going to learn the remaining part of this life cycle of the butterfly. Yesterday, I have taught you about the metamorphosis. Metamorphosis means it's a kind of reproduction in some kind of insects. And what are the four stages that also I have explained it. Today, I will send again one animated video to learn more about it. Now here, for each type of butterfly, the type of plants on whose leaves its female will lay eggs is fixed. Means in certain butterflies are going to decide on which plant they has to lay the eggs. That female butterfly decide where it has to lay the egg. The time for the larvae take to emerge from the eggs is different for different types of butterflies. Means as we see different types of butterflies everywhere, means the time to become adult butterfly is different from larvae to butterfly. That stages time is different for different butterflies. There is great variety in caterpillars. Different types of caterpillars are of different colors. I think you might have seen different kinds of caterpillars around the plants, on the leaves of the plants. Their body is long. Many types of caterpillars are hairy. There is a great variety in caterpillars. There is a great variety in butterflies also. As we see colorful butterflies everywhere. So that's why variety in caterpillars is also there. Different types of caterpillars are of different colors. Their body is long. Many types of caterpillars are hairy. मीन्स बारीक छोटीशी लव असते केस त्यांच्या पंखांवरती. सो मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ caterpillars are hairy. Here we can see the various butterflies. See the colors of these butterflies. Four kinds of butterflies are mentioned here. And I think children love to watch the butterfly while flying from one plant to another plant. It is a lovely picture for us. It is a lovely scene for us. Now, do you know section? Now, what is explained here? Now, after we have cleaned the grain, we buy. आफ्टर वी हॅव क्लीन्ड द ग्रेन वी बाय. आपण जे घरात धान्य आणतो विकत, वी स्टोअर इट इन अ बॉक्स. इवन देन when we open the box after some days, we may see some insect in it. आपल्याला काही किडे मध्ये दिसतात. There can be insect in the grain stored in places like warehouses. Warehouses म्हणजे काय? जिथं धान्याची कोठार म्हणतात ह्याला, जिथं धान्य साठवलं जातं. इन द ग्रॉसर्स शॉप और इवन इन आवर होम्स. धान्य जिथं साठवलेलं असतं तिथं काही इन्सेक्ट दिसतात आपल्याला, बरोबर आहे. आता हे इन्सेक्ट कुठून येतात? इतकं धान्य स्वच्छ करतो आपण, तरी पण इन्सेक्ट कुठून येतात? प्रश्न पडतो ना आपल्याला. नाव इफ अ फिमेल इन्सेक्ट लेज एग इन धिस ग्रेन, वी कॅनॉट सी देम बिकॉज ऑफ देअर टायनी साईज. साईज कशी असते? खूप लहान असते. द वार्मथ म्हणजे गरमी. पोत्यात धान्य साठवून ठेवलेलं असतं बॉक्समध्ये, त्यामुळे गरमी असते आतमध्ये. द वार्मथ अँड एअर दे गेट इन द बॉक्स इन विच द ग्रेन इज स्टोअर्ड इज इनफ फॉर देम टू ग्रो. मग त्या छोट्या साईजमधल्या इन्सेक्ट्सना देअर इज सफिशियंट वार्मथ अँड एअर. दॅट्स वाय इन दॅट ग्रेन दे ऑल्सो कॅन ग्रो. So their growth continues inside the box. त्यांची growth ही होत असते मध्ये. It continues. They also have the same stages of growth. Namely, first stage is egg, second one larva, third one pupa, and adult. These are the four stages of reproduction in insects. When we open the box, we see the insect in the grain at different stages of growth in which they are. मीन्स आपण जर बायोलॉजिकली ऑब्झर्व केलं त्या इन्सेक्टना आणि ते लाईफ सायकल जर लक्षात घ्यायची ठरवलं, एनी टाईम यू कॅन ऑब्झर्व इट. अंडरस्टूड स्टुडंट? what is the actual meaning of life cycle of insect? Or here as an example we had seen the life cycle of butterfly. So what we have learned, our lesson is about to finish. Here is the summary. I will read the summary points and you have written it also yesterday. A hen sits on her eggs to hatch them. The fully grown chick breaks the eggshell and comes out. This is the means how chicken comes out from the egg. Now egg caterpillar means larva, chrysalis, pupa and adult are the 4 stages of the life cycle of a butterfly. The plain tiger butterfly lays its eggs on the leaves of the milkweed. Milkweed plant म्हणजे कुठला plant? रुईचं plant. The larva emerges from the egg. मारुतीच्या किंवा महादेवाच्या देवळात आपण रुईच्या पानांची माळ बघतो पहा. That is called as the रुई plant. The larva emerges from the egg. It is called the caterpillar. When the growth of the caterpillar is complete, it enters the pupa stage, during which it lives inside the chrysalis. The adult butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. It has 6 long legs and 4 attractive wings. And finally, attractive butterfly comes out from the chrysalis. Okay, understood student this lesson? Read the lesson twice. And if any doubt is there, tomorrow Zoom meeting is there. Attend everyone the Zoom link, Zoom lecture, and you can ask the doubt. Okay, thank you.